looking at the first approach to compression passage, and we have been looking at two approaches or two methods to compression passage. The first one is what we call QSR. That is the first one. The Q stands for question. According to Professor Obed, because this method was designed by Professor Obed, a Ghanaian professor, that whenever we want to tackle compression passage, the first thing we should do out of the conventional way or traditional way of going through compression passage is that we should read the questions. So not just to read the question for question's sake, we have to read the questions and clear the questions in our mind or retain them. So if there are 5 questions, you have to read all the 5 questions and get them. If there are 6, you have to read all the questions and get them. So immediately when that is done, then you should pick or go to an S. So S in this content stands for survey. So survey. So it means that you should survey the passage, and by simple definition, survey simply means critical examination. Critical examination, that is going through the passage critically, looking for a particular information. And what he advised us to look out for in the compression passage that will answer our question direct is what we call topic sentence. That the topic sentence is the main sentence in a paragraph. The topic sentence is the main sentence in the paragraph. And this topic sentence is what we need to answer the questions under that passage. Now, of course, each paragraph of a compression passage is made up of 2 types of sentences. We have what we call topic sentence, and then 2, we have what we call supporting details. Supporting details. So supporting details is the same as supporting sentence. So we have supporting details for topic sentence. Now, the position of topic sentence in compression passage or in write-up is not certain. It could be the initial sentence. It could be the media sentence. It could be the final sentence. That is, it could take the position of the initial, the media, or final. So it's not certain. But research have shown that most modern writers take either of this position, either the first sentence or the last sentence. So it means that most modern writers position their topic sentence to be the first sentence in the paragraph or the last sentence in the paragraph. So the idea of adding or aiding a topic sentence is the idea of classical writers who believe that readers have to sweat before identifying the topic sentence. So that happens. So when this is done, then the next thing he asks us to do, if you are not sure, is to employ what we call R1, which stands for read. So we have to read. If you are not sure of your work or of what you have done with this phrase or letter, the question and the subject, then you cannot read the passage. Have an idea of the passage. Know what the passage is talking about, and so on and so forth. But this read or the idea of reading is for slow learners. In teaching and learning process, we have 2 categories of learners. We have fast learners, we have slow learners, or we have extroverts or introverts. So those people who fall within the category of slow learners can make use of this. But those people who fall within the category of fast learners can only make use of the Q and S. And that's settled the matter for that exam or under preparation. Then R2 stands for the read. This idea of philosophy also defined slow learners, that those who are slow in learning or in application of a particular knowledge can also make use of R2 by reading the passage again in order for them to be sure and have this confidence enough within them that what they have done is correct. Then the R3 stands for recall. So the philosophy of recall is very important under this concept, because most of the time the first question under comprehension passage that usually comes from exam question is that give a suitable title to this passage. So for you to do that, all you just need to do is to identify the topic sentence in each of the paragraphs. So if you have 3 paragraphs, it means that you have to identify 3 topic sentences in the whole of the paragraph, then merge them or marry them together, and the marriage you conduct for them will give you the sense of summary. Are you getting me? That will stick to your mind or define the whole message in the passage, and when that is done, you'll be able to put it in recall. Are you getting me? They analyze it. They have what we call title for the passage. Title for the passage. Are you getting it? So that's it.